In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Calendar ID. This process can seem a bit tricky if you're not familiar with Google's interface, but don't worry, we'll break it down into simple steps, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident in retrieving your calendar ID whenever you need it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by entering calendar.google.com into your address bar or simply searching for Google Calendar if that's easier for you. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a side panel on the left that shows all the calendars associated with your account under a section labeled My Calendars. Here's where we'll start honing in on the calendar in question. Take a moment to find the specific calendar you'd like to get the ID for. You might have several calendars, especially if you've been using Google Calendar for different projects, meetings, or personal events. Once you see it, hover your mouse over the calendar's name. As you hover, look closely for a set of 3 vertical dots. This is Google's menu icon, and it gives you access to further settings. Click on these 3 dots and a small menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings and Sharing. Go ahead and click on this. This action brings up a more detailed settings menu specific to that calendar. In this new view, you'll need to scroll down a bit. What you're looking for is a section called Integrate Calendar. It might take a moment to find, but within this section lies the key to this whole tutorial. Once you locate the Integrate Calendar section, you'll find the calendar ID listed there. The calendar ID is typically a long string of numbers and letters, often followed by @group.calendar.google.com. This ID is unique to your specific calendar and is what we need to extract. Now that you've found your calendar ID, you can go ahead and select it. When you select it, be sure to copy the entire string right up to the @group.calendar.google.com part. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting copy, or by using the trusty Ctrl+C shortcut on Windows, or Command+C if you're on a Mac. You're almost done. Just paste the copied ID wherever you need it. Whether it's for integrating with another application or sharing with a team member, your copied calendar ID is ready to be used. And that's it, you've successfully located and copied your Google Calendar ID. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.